Trakker Tempest. Looking for the ultimate in survival gear that seamlessly blends convenience with top-tier performance? Enter the Trakker Tempest RS. Have you ever imagined having a bivvy that ticks all the boxes for the modern angler? Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this quick erect shelter is every carp angler's dream come true. Constructed from aquatics material, a cutting-edge fabric renowned for its breathability and exceptional water repellency, the Tempest RS ensures you stay dry and comfortable, even amidst the harshest conditions. Its blackout pigment not only enhances water resistance, but also reduces light and heat ingress, providing a cozy sanctuary during your angling adventures. Setting up camp has never been smoother, thanks to the innovative Rapide Knuckle system. With just a few swift movements, all 5 main poles effortlessly lock into position, ensuring a hassle-free assembly process. Say goodbye to time-consuming setups and hello to more time spent doing what you love, fishing. Yet, convenience isn't the only ace up the Tempest RS's sleeve. Its peak adaptive ventilation system guarantees your comfort, regardless of the weather. With built-in ventilation that adjusts to keep you cozy while allowing for fresh air circulation, this bivvy ensures you're at ease during your angling sessions. Available in 4 models tailored to specific needs, whether you're a solo angler or part of a duo, the Tempest RS promises a cozy shelter that stands up to the elements, allowing you to focus on reeling in your next big catch. Ready to elevate your angling experience to new heights. InstaFire Inferno Stove. Looking for the ultimate outdoor cooking solution that can withstand any terrain or weather condition? Check out the InstaFire Inferno Biomass Outdoor Stove. Crafted from stainless steel for durability, this stove is perfect for backyard barbecues, campground cookouts, or remote mountain expeditions. Its ingenious design allows for precise temperature control ranging from 425 F to a scorching 1200 F, ensuring your culinary creations are perfectly cooked every time, regardless of the outdoor environment. Powered by biomass and featuring a battery or USB-powered fan, the Inferno Pro offers flexibility for day or night use, even in cloudy or pitch-black conditions. It stays lit in virtually any weather, including winds up to 30 mph, ensuring your outdoor cooking experience is never compromised. Whether you're boiling water, cooking gourmet meals, or simply enjoying the tranquility of nature, the Inferno Pro is your reliable culinary ally, ready to elevate your outdoor adventures to new heights. Ready to revolutionize your outdoor cooking game. Max Toolkit. Are you an avid outdoor adventurer constantly on the lookout for your next thrilling journey? If that sounds like you, then the Max Toolkit 8-in-1 is bound to be your new favorite companion. This compact marvel packs a punch by combining 8 essential tools into one sleek and convenient package, perfect for any excursion into the wilderness. Whether you're setting up camp under the stars, venturing on a hunting expedition, tending to your garden, or navigating rugged off-road terrain, this toolkit has got you covered. Crafted with durability and reliability as top priorities, the Max Toolkit 8-in-1 boasts a robust axe, a sharp saw, a sturdy shovel, a versatile hammer, a handy wrench, a convenient nail puller, a trusty bottle opener, and even a reliable fire starter. Its intuitive design ensures that you always have the right tool at your fingertips, ready to tackle any challenge that comes your way during your outdoor escapades. So, are you prepared to gear up and elevate your outdoor experience with the convenience and efficiency of the Max Toolkit 8-in-1 on your next adventure? F23 Sureshot Heated Gloves. Have you ever found yourself dreading the bone-chilling cold of winter? Wishing for a solution to keep your hands warm and functional during outdoor excursions? Look no further than the F23 Sureshot Heated Softshell Gloves, a game-changing innovation designed to conquer the most unforgiving elements with unmatched comfort and efficiency. Meticulously crafted with a blend of cutting-edge technology and pragmatic design, these gloves redefine the standards for outdoor gear, ensuring a seamless experience for enthusiasts of all kinds. Constructed with a 2L two-way stretch woven shell, these gloves offer exceptional water and wind resistance, guaranteeing dryness and coziness even in the harshest environments. Inside, the incorporation of Enduraloft insulation forms an impenetrable barrier against the cold, maintaining warmth even in wet conditions. However, the true brilliance lies in the incorporation of AltaHeat battery-powered heat technology. With customizable settings and rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, these gloves allow you to tailor the warmth to your exact preferences, ensuring optimal comfort and dexterity throughout your outdoor adventures. Say goodbye to numb fingers and hello to uninterrupted enjoyment of the great outdoors with the F23 Sureshot heated softshell gloves. Lockhart Trip Alarm System. Are you seeking a reliable security solution for your outdoor adventures or property protection? Look no further than the Lockhart Automatic Trip Alarm System. This compact yet powerful gadget is a game changer for anyone venturing into the great outdoors. Whether you're camping, hiking, or simply safeguarding your property, the alarm system serves as your all-in-one Sentry tactical alarm system. Its versatility is unmatched, offering automatic trip alarm functionality to alert you to intruders or wildlife. With the ability to be deployed swiftly and seamlessly, it's a reliable companion for any outdoor excursion. But the status doesn't stop there. It goes beyond basic alarm systems by offering additional emergency features. With just a manual trigger, you can launch emergency flares or bear bangers, ensuring your safety in critical situations. Its compact size allows for easy portability, fitting into small pockets for quick access when needed. Plus, its dual integrated mall attachment points make mounting effortless. Whether it's on your gear, trees, or posts, no screws required. In essence, the Lockhart Automatic Trip Alarm System is not just a gadget. It's peace of mind in your pocket, ready to respond to any security or emergency need you may encounter in the great outdoors. Crkt Hirin. Have you ever envisioned survival gear that marries timeless tradition with a touch of futuristic innovation? Meet the Crkt Hirin, a masterpiece born from the collaboration of acclaimed knife maker Duffel and Italian craftsmanship. This limited edition marvel seamlessly combines heritage craftsmanship with avant-garde design, epitomizing the essence of the rising sun with its name, Hirin, which translates to flying ring in Japanese. At first glance, the Crkt Hirin enthralls with its acid-etched super-dense twist damasteel blade, adorned with intricate patterns that bespeak its artisanal heritage. Yet, it's not merely the blade that enchants, it's the entirety of its composition. The anodized titanium handle, embellished with bead-blasted stainless steel screws, exudes refined elegance. What truly distinguishes the Hirin, however, is its striking skeleton construction, a fusion of organic aesthetics and ethereal allure. Even its bespoke pocket clip, meticulously crafted from damasteel, seamlessly integrates with the knife's sleek, symmetrical silhouette, propelling it into a league of its own. MSK-1 Primitive Survival Knife. Looking for a reliable tool to accompany you on your outdoor adventures? Meet the MSK-1 Primitive Survival Knife. Crafted with rugged reliability in mind, this versatile knife is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who value both quality and affordability. Handcrafted in the untamed wilderness of Central America, the MSK-1 boasts a robust 1E75 high-carbon steel blade, striking a fine balance between toughness and edge retention. Unlike its Elite counterpart, the MSK-1 Elite, this model comes in at a lighter weight of 22 inches thick, ensuring ease of use without compromising on performance. What truly sets the MSK-1 Primitive Survival Knife apart is its ingenious design. Alongside its rustic hardwood handle and clear-coated finish, this knife features a hidden gem, the 20-item micro-handle survival kit. Nestled within the handles, this kit adds an extra layer of preparedness to your outdoor ventures. Whether you're braving the wilderness or simply embarking on a weekend camping trip, the MSK-1 Primitive Survival Knife ensures you're equipped for whatever challenges come your way. With its blend of reliability, functionality, and affordability, it's the ultimate companion for your outdoor pursuits. Bushbuck Kayahan Snake X Gaiter. Are you an avid outdoor enthusiast who relishes hiking, hunting, or exploring the wilderness? If so, allow me to introduce you to the Bushbuck Kayahan Snake X Gaiter, a revolutionary piece of gear engineered to mitigate the risk of snake bites during your ventures across the United States. Crafted with the utmost precision, these specialized gaiters furnish an additional layer of defense for your ankles and legs, Fabricated from ultra-durable 600D poly-spun dual-bonded canvas for unparalleled longevity and dependability. Extensive testing has underscored their exceptional resilience against fang penetration and the force of snake bites, offering a sense of reassurance for outdoor aficionados. While the Kayahan Snake X Gaiter touts formidable snake resistance, it's imperative to recognize that they are not impervious to snake bites and cannot guarantee absolute protection. Nonetheless, they substantially diminish the likelihood, rendering them an indispensable companion in regions prone to serpentine encounters. Beyond their prowess in snake deterrence, these gaiters stand as versatile, heavy-duty gear suitable for an array of outdoor activities. Whether navigating dense woodlands or traversing rugged landscapes, the Kayahan Snake X Gaiter affords added security and peace of mind for all your escapades, empowering you to explore the great outdoors with unwavering confidence. Rapide Sleeping Pad. Are you in search of the ultimate sleeping pad that seamlessly blends lightweight design, top-notch insulation, and unmatched comfort for all your outdoor escapades? Look no further than the Rapide SL Insulated Air Chamber Sleeping Pad by Big Agnes. This innovative 3-season pad has been meticulously engineered to become your ultimate companion. Whether you're trekking through rugged terrain, camping beneath the twinkling stars, or immersing yourself in the wonders of the wilderness. Crafted with a proprietary offset I-beam construction, the Rapide SL guarantees consistent stability and comfort while keeping weight to a minimum, making it perfect for extended journeys. Its dual layers of heat-reflective film offer exceptional insulation, boasting an impressive third-party R value of 4.8, ensuring warmth on even the coldest nights. Additionally, its effortless inflation-deflation mechanism, coupled with the included pump-house high-volume inflation sack, makes camp setup a breeze. Bid farewell to restless nights outdoors and welcome reliable comfort with the Rapide SL Insulated Pad, your passport to unforgettable outdoor experiences. So, are you ready to elevate your outdoor adventures with unparalleled comfort and performance? BCA Trakker 4 Avalanche Transceiver. Looking for the ultimate tool to keep you safe during your backcountry adventures? Meet the BCA Trakker 4 Avalanche Beacon. Crafted for the most demanding adventurers, this beacon combines speed, ease of use, and rugged durability. Its design, built upon BCA's trusted digital multi-antenna technology, ensures unparalleled reliability even in the harshest conditions. Encased in a tough yet ergonomic shell, the Trakker 4 features a large display optimized for rugged environments, making it ideal for those who expect nothing but the best from their gear. Curious about its features? With signal suppression and big picture modes, the Trakker 4 enhances efficiency during multiple victim searches, while the auto revert to transmit mode and mini USB port for software updates ensure you're always equipped with the latest safety measures. Safety is paramount for BCA, reflected in features like signal suppression and big picture modes, which aid in effective searches even in challenging scenarios. Plus, the auto revert to transmit mode and the ability to update software via a mini USB port keep users up to date with the latest technology. With BCA's commitment to safety, including recent recalls for specific serial numbers, you can trust the Trakker 4 to provide peace of mind on your backcountry expeditions. Ready to elevate your avalanche safety game. Kuiu Kodiak Duffel. Are you in search of gear storage that can endure the harshest conditions? Look no further than the Kuiu Kodiak 3000 Submersible Duffel Bag. Crafted with meticulous attention to durability and waterproof protection, this duffel is the ultimate companion for any adventure into wet environments. Whether you're navigating remote rivers or braving isolated airstrips, this super light and compact duffel is designed to keep your gear dry and secure. Featuring air and watertight zippers, the Kodiak Submersible Duffel ensures your belongings remain protected from moisture, even in the most challenging situations. Its expedition-grade toughness means you can trust it to stand up to the rigors of your outdoor pursuits, providing 100% waterproof security every step of the way. So, if you're seeking a reliable solution for storing your gear in extreme wet conditions, consider the Kuiu Kodiak Submersible Duffel the epitome of durability and waterproof peace of mind. Ready to take on your next adventure? Monolith Shelter. Are you someone who dreams of camping in the most extreme conditions without sacrificing comfort and safety? If so, let me introduce you to the Monolith Next Level Shelter, a groundbreaking creation by OFFROAD. This innovative 4-season shelter is engineered to redefine your outdoor experience. Its unmatched adaptability allows it to transcend terrain limitations, ensuring you can rest peacefully regardless of the environment. Whether you're deep in the wilderness or perched on rugged cliffs, the Monolith provides a sanctuary, shielding you from the elements while you bask in nature's beauty. Constructed with unwavering durability, the Monolith features a robust design capable of withstanding the most severe weather conditions. Rain, wind, snow, no challenge is too great for this shelter. With the Monolith, you can sleep soundly, free from worries about the elements. It's not merely a shelter, it's a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts seeking unparalleled comfort and adaptability. Are you prepared to elevate your camping experience to new heights with the Monolith? Thank you sincerely for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest survival gear reviews. Your support means everything, and we're excited to keep bringing you valuable content. Stay prepared, stay safe, and until next time, thrive on.